I think without further ado, we should get started. I know we have introductory recorded greeting by Associate Administrator Pam Melroy.
Hello and welcome to the Lunar Surface Science Workshop. As we prepare to launch Artemis 1 and return to the Moon, our discussions about the science we will do there and the many opportunities we have to advance our knowledge become very urgent. I am pleased to have had many substantive conversations with our Science Mission Directorate on this topic, and I look forward to more discussions as CLIPS deliveries and other milestones start to populate our manifest. With Artemis, we're going to be blessed with many more tools for doing science than the Apollo astronauts had. One of the critical areas we will be able to focus on is field geology. I'm excited about combining our knowledge of remote science operations that NASA does every day with human capabilities. This is one place where a human being's intuition and eyes, coupled with the latest tools, can vastly enhance what our robots can do. And robots can perform tasks that reduce human workload and maximize efficiency. Human-machine teaming will be essential. And I know the outcome will be light years ahead of the stick and scoop that our first moon landers used to collect samples. While those first samples have been invaluable, we look forward to advancing our knowledge of the moon and the solar system's history with this next generation of scientific discovery. In particular, we will potentially be able to ensure that we are bringing the most scientifically valuable samples back to Earth. The possibilities for science at the moon and beyond are one of the pillars defining why we want to go out into the solar system. I look forward to the outcomes of this workshop and those future discussions as we refine our architecture and use the tools of modern field geology to get the very most out of our ambitious program of long-term human presence at the moon, Mars, and beyond. Thank you for all you're doing to help us define this foundational aspect of the Artemis missions to the moon.
All right, thank you very much, Associate Administrator.